Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to our annual Christmas Eve tradition where we get with our kids and we put together a gingerbread house. And so what I do love about getting this new gingerbread house at Sam's Club is that it already comes pre-packaged. The only thing that we need to do is decorate it. Now, keep in mind, it is 2 adults, 2 kids, and we are talking about boys who love to have fun. They like to maybe even argue over who's going to get each piece, even though everything is equal. So we're just going through the box right now to see what we want to do, how we want to decorate it. Now, one thing that we do have to do is talk to our kids around the actual gingerbread home not looking like the photo, because sometimes perfectionism can come into play. And so we just told them to have fun. Sharing is caring. Let's spend some family time together. And so, y'all, let's decorate this gingerbread house. So if you are new here, my name is Dr. TK. I am a wife, mom, psychologist, and business owner. And during the holiday break, I am definitely in mama bear mode. And so I would love to have you back if you like a blend of having a joyful life and an abundant business. Go ahead, click that subscribe button, like this video, and let me know in the comments below, did you put together a gingerbread home this year? All right, y'all. So I'm letting you know right now, do not judge my icing, okay? We are trying to make it work. First of all, I believe that they undergive in terms of the icing. It's not strong enough either. And what we realized when we were putting the candy on the top is that it kept falling down. And so bear with me. No one in this home is a baker. And so we're just having fun to also just be in the festive activity mood to spend time with the kids. Okay, what do you have there?
The magic reindeer food.
Cassie, who gave it to you?
My teacher, Miss Zoe.
Oh, okay. So you want to put it out?
Yes.
Okay. Let's get...
I don't know if I can put it in the house or the reindeer.
We're going to leave it in a...
Mess it up.
Here.
Wait.
Get a red plate. Make sure they can eat it.
Where are you going to put that?
We're going to see. Come here.
It's open.
Okay, be careful when you pour it out. Here, pour it out right there.
Okay. I'm going to put the letter on top.
Okay.
So no other dogs will eat this. So I hope.
Okay, I'll throw it back in trash.
Can I spread it out?
Okay. Here, let's get this tray. Watch where you're walking. Turn around. Okay. We're going to put it up right here.
From Avery Run. Dear Santa, thank you for the postcard. Avery Run. From Avery Run. Make sure the reindeer eat the carrots. I am so sorry that I don't have regular cookies and milk. Make sure you write me back before you put the presents, okay? Oh, and here's your food. Two letters to Santa and Mrs. Claus.
Oh, okay. Okay, so right before my son was supposed to go to sleep, he said, "Oh my gosh, Mom, I forgot to put my vision board together for Santa Claus." And so your girl decided to stay up an extra hour because I had to clean up anyway and get ready for our Christmas brunch. And so I went downstairs, got my vision board that I actually had not put a vision board on since 2022 because I moved into digital vision boards. However, I was really happy that I did because it brought back the love of putting paper right in front of you and making the vision plain. And so that's pretty much what I'm doing right now, is I'm putting my son's vision board for Christmas Day together so that he can see his vision as soon as he comes downstairs. Okay, so that wraps up our Christmas Eve festivities. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe, come back to the channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.